How to use text fields. In this video, we are going to talk about text fields and how you can use them in your forms or surveys. Let's start with creating a form. Text fields are the best way for collecting feedback or detailed information. After clicking the plus button, you can find text fields on the right menu. For example, you can add a full name field to learn the names of the respondents. To collect other important information, you can add the email field to your forms and make it required. The address field is also an essential part of many forms. After adding one, you can expand this field by enabling some additional areas. You can add the long text field to gather custom messages from the respondents. There are other forms of text fields, like short text or masked text fields, you can use in your forms. To learn more about them, visit our help page now. The link is in the description.